So look at that door right there. Why do you think those watermarks are at the bottom of that door?
Oh, because there has been some flooding.
I don't know. It can't flood here, but there's definitely some water getting in there beating on that door.
Can't.
475,000 and they don't even fix the vinyl right there. That's not even vinyl, is it? It's tin or that's tin, right? Yeah, that's tin. Or aluminum.
Yeah. In California, you can't rent a place that has a foundational slope of more than like 1 or 2%. It's illegal to rent it.
If it's settled like that, that's a lot. I mean, a 1% slope is a lot on that. I mean, if you got 50 feet, 5 inches, half a foot.
Oh.
A 5-inch drop in a 50-foot thing, that's a lot. You're talking over there, something dropping a couple of inches,
Yeah.
an inch. It's not horrible.
The roof.
So I think you would burn through a lot more than the $20,000 we just said. We put in there for repairs.
Because we have.
And that's with us not going in it. You can also look right there. That's all falling down there too.
And is that because
I don't know who would lay their brick on top of a slab of that right there. I mean, you need a true foundation.